Here is an inside look into apartment hunting in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. I lived in Playa del Carmen for most of 2023, and I was only looking for one bedroom, one bathroom, or large studio apartments. So this apartment is pretty accessible. It's got an elevator. There are stairs optional. I did not end up getting this apartment for reasons that I will explain. Now, this is the bathroom. It's cute enough, it's fine enough, but when I came in, there was a leak from the toilet right there. I could not just it was not the best look. They said that they were going to fix it. I'm sure that they did. Now, this apartment is technically fully furnished, but I would still have to buy all of my pillows. I would have to buy all of my sheets. I'd have to buy everything. There also is not a TV in here, though there is the TV hookup. They said, hey, if you buy the TV, then it's all yours. No, thank you. No, thank you. The one really big selling point for this place was this upstairs pool area. So that is just the pool. Then there's a hot tub right over there, and you'll start to see the grilling station open to anybody that lives there. I'll share the price and around general location in the description, and if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments. Bye!